Hey, good morning everybody. It is Friday and we're about to go head out to view the update on a construction project. Welcome to the vlog. We're gonna go meet Sam and Keith, I think, on our construction team and go look at the progress that they're doing on this big bathroom remodel. It's out in Leander, Texas, and then we're gonna take you guys on for the rest of the day. We have, you know, our training, our investor training at 10:30. Andrew and I are gonna go pick up some equipment for the new lab, and then we'll see what else the day brings. So we'll see you throughout. Alright guys, so we're here at one of our projects here in Leander. We're going to walk inside, we're going to talk to Keith. He's the project manager here at Longhorn Construction and Development, powered by TRE. And let's go see what we've been doing to this bathroom. I think we've done a lot, knocked out some walls and done a full bathroom remodel in the master bedroom. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so this is Keith. Keith is our project manager here at Longhorn Construction and Development. And he's going to walk us through and show us exactly what we've done to this property.
We've kind of touched this whole house throughout the whole, and then we'll end in the master bath, which is where most of our work has been. And this room right here will be hardwood floors, which will be going in probably within the week. Yeah, initially it was just a bathroom remodel. So the homeowner here has basically sold all of his land to come out here. Everything was really outdated. We basically come in here and updated it to his standards. So all of his likings, all of his tile selections, this is all designed by him, not by us. We've had to put new tile down in this. So all new tile on the floors.
This is all new?
This is all new. So this has been selected by the homeowner. So he's put new tiles down. Once we get to here, we're going to be putting new windows, or new mirrors, new lights once we get to that point. And then we're going to be putting a custom slider door here on this as well. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2.5 baths.
4, 2.5?
4, 2.5.
This stays here?
It's actually going to be going into the actual... I don't think we want to go to the bathroom in one of the bedrooms, so... There used to be an old style fireplace here that actually went completely up to the ceiling. There used to be stone all the way around this. Basically wrapped around to here, wrapped around to here.
Yeah, you can see the diamond?
Yep.
Or triangle.
So we completely removed that, got all the sheetrock repairs done, and we actually had to match.
That ceiling?
Yep. So basically what we're going to do, we're not completely done here, we're going to actually stain this to make it look a little better than what it is. So we're going to be doing wood floors throughout this totally right here.
So you have to, these are custom?
These are custom.
So you have to match these exactly,
right.
huh?
Yep.
Cool. Wood floors?
Yeah, wood floors throughout. So that's the old stuff that was in here.
Yeah.
So we'll pull that out once we put the floors in. We just wanted to give them access to...
These are new?
These are new. So basically there was nothing underneath here at all. And the homeowner wanted to have a little bit more storage, some pull-out storage. So these are custom as well, just for extra storage for him. And we'll stain those to match the cabinets and make sure that those are perfect. The best part of the house that I love is the ceiling.
Yeah,
But as you go into the master bathroom here in a second, I'm going to show you exactly what we've done in there and a complete rehab in there that really has changed this whole house.
Cool.
So
this new door.
So, yeah.
Cool. So we're in the master bathroom. What else you guys doing here?
So this master bath was a complete gut. Homeowner here wanted to change cabinets completely. So we've actually designed custom cabinets for the homeowner here. As you see here, they're all custom. They've been painted already. So all new cabinet hardware. Obviously granite or quartz is not in yet.
No shit.
So that's going to be happening next week.
These are just one sink?
Just one sink in here. So it's kind of like a his and her bathroom. So his sink, her sink, or
gotcha.
whatever you guys want to decide who has what. So one sink over here, one sink over here.
Basically, you ripped everything out. It was just the walls?
The only thing we didn't rip out was going to be all the sheetrock. In some of the areas we did rip out some of the sheetrock just so it was easier for us to handle. But we ripped out all the vanities, we ripped out all the floors, all the baseboards, all the window casings. There was previously a bathtub in this corner right here. So we ripped out that. We actually had to reroute all of the plumbing for the new bathtub. So this is a brand new bathtub in here. But the biggest change in this bathroom is the wall that is behind you wasn't even here. We actually added this wall, this one right here.
Oh, gotcha.
He wanted to separate everything out from here to the actual sink and faucets. So we walled it off, made a custom huge shower, custom tile. This is all the tile he chose here. Added all new LED recessed can lights. Give it a nice wow factor when those lights do flip on.
How does it work when the customer's picking everything out? Do they, like for example, there's a lot of little details in here, right? Like
Absolutely.
Down to you know, that wall being there, to the tile that's on the floor compared to the side.
Sure.
Does he pick all that out kind of as it goes on or beforehand?
Yeah,
or?
so as the process goes on, we kind of prep him in stages of when we want certain items. You know, it can go two ways. We can have a customer go out and get their own tile and their own selections, or they can tell us their selections. We'll actually go out and get it all for them. Actually, this homeowner has been here quite a bit. He's, at any time I can call him and say, hey, I need you to meet me out here. And he jumps in his truck and he's out here in minutes.
And this is for a primary residence. This isn't like a flip for them to sell or anything, right?
Right, it's primary residence. He's selling his house right now to move out here. Yep.
Cool. And then, all right, so these are the last thing we're gonna check out in here. We got the master closets.
Yep. So basically what we've done here, the previous owner of this house had this room set up. I'm not sure what they were doing here, but they had it set up where these were originally two closets, but they made offices out of them. So we've actually walled this off, ran some AC duct systems in here, and made these custom closets for his and hers.
So it was all one?
It basically, yeah. So you have if you walk in here, you can't tell now, but there was actually a little opening to go to the other side.
Gotcha.
So the previous owner was using this as an office, or who knows what they were doing in here. We don't know.
Ow! Who designs this? Does he say like, I want this shelf here, this shelf here?
So we have a carpenter who's very good with building things. So he kind of comes in here, walks in with the homeowner, and basically the homeowner says, this is what I want. And we kind of do a drawing about it, and we build it, and we show them, and homeowner says yes or no.
Gotcha.
In this case, we drew something very, very simple, and this is the outcome of it.
All right, guys, so this is gonna wrap up the project, so we'll see you outside. All right, guys, so that was, you know, the project. We're almost done with it. It was actually way more than I thought it was. I thought we were just doing the bathroom remodel, but it turns out we did some custom cabinet work. We're doing some stuff in the master bedroom. We're putting all new flooring in, trim, windows, gutted the entire bathroom, everything you guys just saw. And so what we'll do is we'll come back when we're finished and show you all the final product. And it's really cool because this is one of the first projects that our construction company is doing. Longhorn Construction and Development, powered by TRE. coming together and building this power team. And you can tell just by going in there and seeing all the good work. So we're really excited about it. And so what we got going on the rest of the day is now we have our Friday investor training. Andrew and I are going to go get some equipment for the lab at our new office, and we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we just got out of the TRE investor training. We do this every Friday. If you're not signed up already, make sure you click that link below. We send out invites. It's not only to the investor training, we do them every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Doreen, if you're watching this, I'm going to try and approach you and get you to run one on Tuesdays. So we're trying to get as much trainings and provide as much value as possible, but you got to sign up in the link below. We get a lot of emails, a lot of texts about, hey, how do I join? Or we post this here, we post this there. Easiest way is to sign up in the link. I copy and paste all the emails, send out all the invites, either night before or day of. So make sure you click that, and then you also have access to all of our archive of previously recorded trainings. So right now we're about to head out to Guitar Center and do things a little differently. Y'all are gonna get to see a skill you didn't know I had. I'm gonna be behind the camera, and we're gonna be recording Andrew going through Guitar Center, and we're gonna get some equipment for our new lab here in the office, which is right over there. And we are looking forward to showing you guys the new studio and everything we got going up on over here at the new office. So see you at Guitar Center.
What's up everybody? Welcome to the better half of the vlog. We're at Guitar Center in Round Rock. Our good friend Greasy J, aka Jordan Hale, told us that our podcast studio sucks. I know you guys watch our podcast, which I'm gonna link right here, but apparently the audio isn't doing really well. So we gotta get some new microphones, we gotta get some new mic stands, we gotta get those cool foam things to put on the wall, and some sweet swag. So we're gonna go in Guitar Center, hopefully they'll let us record, and we'll see you inside.
Thank you for calling Guitar Center Round Rock. This is Axel. Whoa, I've never seen that happen. What was the microphone?
So sorry, it got on the camera.
Give me that one more time. It was a rolling.
There's one in Atlanta, Georgia.
Jeez.
One in Indiana. I can call these stores and ask the condition. They might
Yeah, let me
be,
check.
some sort of return or open box. But if you're
If they are,
interested-
is there a discounted price?
What's the
I could ask
phone
them.
number you ordered?
Okay. Well, I mean,
It never hurts to ask.
Yeah.
If you want to go to SM7, I'm happy to make some phone calls and get some orders going.
sure, that would be great.
07.
So it looks like we have to order everything from a different Guitar Center in Atlanta, Georgia, which is unfortunate, but it's worth it, I guess. And we're about to drop like $2 grand on new podcast equipment just for you, for all you guys watching. So make sure you watch our most recent podcast. Alright guys, so Guitar Center was a big failure in the short term. They apparently had nothing that we were looking for because Greasy J, Jordan Hale, wanted us to get the top of the top, the cream of the crop, best microphones, and they didn't have any in stock. So we had to order some from Atlanta, Georgia, and some other BFE place. So we have it ordered. We're going to have it next week so that we can start recording new podcast material for you guys with Alex and Matt. Well, I'm done with this portion of it. I will see you guys later.
Hey guys, so thank you for tuning in to today's vlog. We went and toured that construction project, and we're really excited about that. When it's finished, we're going to bring y'all into the finished product. Check out our latest construction video right here. This is where Matt went and viewed one of the fourplexes that we're renovating. And so, we're really blessed. It's a nice team, and we're really excited about this opportunity. Didn't achieve our podcasting goals today in terms of microphones, but we'll have it for you soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.